Few spots, and then we get into the snow back in western Kansas. The snow is where we're going to start tonight, because you can see from Oberlin, maybe about as far east as Norton right now, down through the Colby vicinity, back towards Sharon Springs, also Russell Springs. We're seeing some snow in these areas tonight, starting to ease up a little bit on Colby. The snow beginning to taper off around Goodland, where we got a report a couple hours ago of about an inch of accumulation. Snowing Sharon Springs, Tribune, Leota, Scott City, about as far east as the Dighton area. But all of this green that you're looking at out toward Ness City, up toward Hill City, all of that's going to be switching to snow later on this evening. If we look farther south, we've got a rain-snow mix out around Syracuse, starting to see some snow develop around the Garden City area. That's now extending south toward Ulysses and Sublette. Liberal, within a matter of hours, you'll probably start to see some snow. Once you go east of Dodge City, this is where we're getting into the heavier rains at the moment, from Coldwater up to Greensburg. That continues up into Stafford and portions of Edwards, Pawnee County. Again, closer inspection, when you get into these orange and yellow colors that are showing up on the radar, you're looking at rain that's coming down at about a half to an inch per hour. So it's nice to see some of this steady activity taking place, and we're seeing that now from western Pratt County back into Kiowa County. Notice this is moving due north, headed up into central Kansas. We've got rain in Barton County, starting to see some showers now develop around the Ellsworth County vicinity. This is moving up along I-70, starting to probably get some sprinkles now around the Lincoln County area. Farther north, mostly clouds. We've just heard from Bob Levine, no rain there yet, but it'll be coming later on this evening. Now, looking back across south central Kansas, look carefully. Northwestern Butler County, starting to see some showers develop in those areas from Whitewater, maybe up toward the Florence, Peabody areas. Rain developing in Sumner County, and that's coming into the Wichita area as we speak. What will likely be a fairly active evening of rain and snow that's going to continue around most of the area as we go through the rest of the evening. I think when all is said and done, 2 to 4 inches. A lot of this going to be in grassy areas from Dodge City and Ness City on north and east. Grape Bend, St. John, over to Salina, Russell, even Hayes could see 2 to 4 inches of snow. A trace to 2 for Wichita, Medicine Lodge, back into far southwest Kansas. The ground temperatures have really started to warm up in recent days. That's going to melt some of the initial snowflakes that begin to come down. But when you add up all of the moisture, the rain, the snow that we're going to get, close to an inch for central and eastern Kansas. It could be over an inch in a few spots. Western Kansas, wish we had more coming your way. That may be happening early next week. And the temperatures tomorrow, because we're going to be stuck with clouds most of the day, looks like 40s, McPherson, Cheney, and Ellsworth. Western Kansas will have an opportunity to have some sunshine. That's where we'll be back into the 50s. The big concern tonight is snow and wind. Just take a look at the wind forecast. We're talking about gusts of 40 to 50 all the way through the night. So when you put that with some of the heavier snowfall, there will be a few hours where we're dealing with some blizzard conditions. The winds will start to die down later tomorrow afternoon. So the rain snow line starting to move into central Kansas about 9 o'clock tonight. As we go later into the evening, the rain snow line from Lincoln down to about Pratt, back to the west, should be all snow. Rain and snow will continue to mix together in the overnight. 4 a.m. we may start to see some snow around Wichita, snowing in Hutch, a rain snow mix around Salina, and those are the conditions we're going to wake up to Friday morning. But the rain and snow combination will gradually pull onto the east. By early tomorrow afternoon, it's all quickly moving away. The clouds and the wind will be with us for most of Friday, but yes, going to be a chilly day. Again, most of us will see highs in the 40s to near 50 degrees over a good part of Kansas. In Wichita now, we've got gray skies, rain not too far away, and overnight we'll continue to see that rain-snow mix, the line anyway pushing east. Down to flurries for western Kansas after midnight. 32 for Hutch, 33 in Salina with 34 in Wichita. Now western Kansas back to sunshine tomorrow. Coolest temperatures around Larned and Hayes. Mid-50s for Colby and Scott City. The wind should be easing up, but not until later in the afternoon. 49 in Salina, 50 in Grape Bend. A rain-snow mix in the morning, cloudy in the afternoon, gusty winds out of the northwest. It's going to be a very chilly day. Wichita will start the day with a rain-snow mix. 49 in the afternoon, 50 for Hutch. Don't count on seeing a whole lot of sunshine tomorrow. Those gusty winds backing down late into the day. Saturday looks sunny and 68. 70s are back as we officially welcome spring on Sunday. More rain could be heavy Monday and Tuesday. And after we get beyond Tuesday, things dry out and we warm back up with 70s Friday and Saturday. Your Eaton Roofing and Exteriors Weather Umbrella winner tonight is Randy Robinson from Ellenwood. Remember to sign up by visiting our website, kwch.com.